If you are introverted, shy, or naturally quiet, networking can feel like a punishment, okay? Small talk always feels awkward. Walking into rooms drain you a lot. And you might secretly believe that success belongs to loud people. No. Here's the simple truth most people miss. Introverts don't need to network more. We just need to network differently. Okay? Today, I'll show you how small talk leads to big talk, how quiet people build powerful networks, and how to do this without pretending to be somebody that you are not. Section 1, Reframing networking for introverts. So let's start by killing a myth. Networking is not just about collecting contacts. No, it's not also about talking the most, and it's definitely not about being charismatic on demand. In the book, Never Eat Alone, networking is reframed as something simpler. All right. It's reframed as building genuine long term relationships before you ever need those relationships. You build them, you nurture them, you water them. Keep giving, 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 expecting nothing in return. And this is great news for introverts because introverts are the best listeners. We are better on one communication and better at depth and breadth of networking or relationships. So, networking is not a personality contest. No, it's a relationship strategy. Okay. Section 2, why small talk really matters. So, let's talk about small talk. All right. Small talk isn't pointless, it's actually the doorway. Think of small talk like login screen. You don't stay there. No, it's a login screen into, like, say, the computer or something. You don't remain on the login screen. No, but you can't skip that login screen. You have to log in to be able to do what you want to do on the computer. So take small talk as a login screen. You can't just barge in and start talking about big things. Icebreakers. You need to thaw out some things, melt those barriers. Let the access be open to you, for you to talk. Hi, how was your weekend? How did you get this role? What are you working on right now? Oh, your clothes look so nice. Where did you buy it from? Icebreakers. Oh, I love this. My children go to this school. Icebreakers. There is always something you have in common with everyone. I always say this. Everyone I meet, I have something in common with them. I've met so many people who have been to New Zealand or studied in New Zealand. I've met so many Nigerians. I've met people who are Christians. I've met working moms juggling professional life. There is always something in common between you and someone. All right. Okay. So I'll go back to these questions are not just shallow. No, they are like permission slips. Small talk earns you the right to move into big ideas, career conversations, business opportunities, and mentorship. Okay. Introverts often fail at networking, not because we are bad at talking. I'm saying we because, yes, I am introverted in that sense, but because we try to jump straight into depth without building our bridges first. You want to go deep, but you've not built a bridge, a connection with that person first. Something that makes them open up to you. Okay. Section 3, the power connector mindset. In the book, How to Be a Power Connector, there is a powerful idea there. Networking is about positioning, not popularity. You don't need 500 contacts. You just need the right 15 contacts. I usually say this to my friends. I don't need to know everyone. I just need to know strategic people and water those relationships well. 20 people you know can lead you to 500 people you don't know, but they make those introductions. They speak well about you because you have spent time, depth, nurturing those relationships. And this is the power of being introverted. Okay? Power connectors focus on who knows what, who knows something that is valuable to me, who connects whom, and where does value flow. This is the power of being a power connector, not just about knowing maybe many people, but who knows what. Follow who know road in Nigerian balance. Who connects whom and where does value flow. Okay. As an introvert, this plays to your strength. Yeah, it does. So instead of asking, what can I say? Ask, who should I learn from here? Who might benefit from knowing each other? How can I make those connections? I think I just do this naturally. Oh, my friend knows this. You can benefit. Okay, go and talk to this person. Blah, blah, blah. We just connect people. Power connection. And by so doing, you're the middleman, okay? Those people met each other because of you, okay? What problems keep coming up in conversations and how can I solve them? So you become valuable not by talking, but by connecting the dots and because you listen well. Section 4, the introvert networking system. Here is a simple introvert friendly system. Number 1, enter with intention. Before any meeting, an event, or work day, choose one goal, one conversation, one insight, one follow up. That's it. Step 2, ask energy safe questions, okay? Questions that are energy safe. Introverts don't need clever lines. They need repeatable questions, okay? What's been keeping you busy lately? How did you get started on this? What is something people misunderstand about your role? Like I said, compliment people's outfits. Ask them where they bought it from. If that's not too much, ask you know, genuinely make people feel that you are interested in their well-being, and you are, okay? So let them talk and you listen, you absorb, you soak up. Step 3, exit early but intentionally. You don't need to linger. You can say, oh, I've really enjoyed this. Let's continue another time. That's not rude. That is strategic. In the book, Never Eat Alone, if you read that book, you would see how to network strategically in conferences, how to exit gracefully, and how to reconnect back to conversation. Section 5, from small talk to big talk. Here is how small talk turns into big talk. Listen for frustration, curiosity, repeated themes, then gently go deeper. That sounds challenging, right? How are you thinking about it long term? What would success look like for you there? Have you thought about where that leads next? Why? Gentle questions. You can hardly ever go wrong with letting people tell you things, not just being judgmental or anything. Questions, okay? This is where introverts shine because depth feels so natural with you, and people remember how you made them reflect, not how loud you were, okay? How you made people reflect, how you made them think because you asked questions. Section 6, follow-ups. Real networking, most people fail at networking after conversation. Introverts win here. We send messages like, I enjoyed our conversation about XXXXX. This made me think of you. You mentioned blah, 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 blah. I found this helpful. Would you love to continue that discussion sometime? In the book, Never Eat Alone, the emphasis isn't the meeting, it's in the maintenance, and this is where introverts shine. Quiet consistency beats loud presence. If you are introverted, shy, or reserved, you are not behind. You are just playing a different game. Small talk opens doors. Big talk builds careers. And quiet people often walk through the right doors slowly, intentionally, and powerfully. All right. If this helped you, kindly subscribe. This is a channel where books meet real life, okay? Especially for people building success quietly. All right. See you in my next video. Bye.